football, but it's a very sad day for sport in general because we've lost a genius. We've lost someone who has inspired people across generations and across walks of life, not just sport, across many sports and so many people in their lives as well. People are mesmerized watching him play, and that's something that only happens to a very few. And he was one of them, a pure genius with what he did, and um, it's a void that can't be filled, as some of the football greats have already said. And I totally agree with that. And I watched his documentary last year when we were there for the World Cup, and it was amazing to see the aura and the persona around him, and the stuff that he went through. And just the pure um, genius of what he did was so mesmerizing, and something that will dearly be remembered, and he'll be missed by everyone in the sport fraternity, I'm sure, over the years. The one thing about Australia is that they play hard cricket, and in every sport they're very tough. The crowd can be very tough on players traveling, and rightly so. I mean, everyone has a choice to have a home advantage, and Australia really exercises and executes that really well. But if you perform well in Australia, you gain a lot of respect from the local public and from the fans watching as well. Which, as a sportsman, it's a thing that I certainly am a big fan of, because it's like a test. It's like, you kind of going through a hard test, and then there's appreciation, and there's acknowledgement at the end of it. And then over a period of time, you obviously understand that um, people here are very nice. People here are very welcoming as well. And if you have the right mindset, then they'll make sure that they do everything to try and get you as an individual and as a team. But if you overcome that, then there's nothing but respect. After the first test, and that was purely based on the fact that we have a quarantine period both ways, and I had explained the same to the selectors during our selection meeting. And I wanted to be back home in time to be with my wife for the birth of our first child. And it's a very special and a very beautiful moment in our lives, and something that I truly want to experience. So yeah, that was the reason behind my decision, which was communicated to the selectors